Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be learning how to make a military time to regular time converter. So for those of you who don't know what military time is, it's basically a 24-hour basis hour system, but without a colon in between. So what the 24-hour basis time is, it's basically let's say, okay, here's your example. Um, we use the 12-hour basis, which means that we use like 11 a.m., 11 p.m. So we use a.m., p.m. to differentiate between morning and afternoon. And in military time, there's no such thing. Um, it's just number from 0 to 2400. 2400 is actually just 0. So 0 being 12 a.m. and 23:59, which is the last number, being 11:59 p.m. right before midnight. Uh, so you get the idea. And let's get into the program. Um, we start off with a military time variable um, input, and then we get the number here. M time afternoon, I think, and then we just have this to subtract 1200 because we want to function in 12-hour basis for what's called converting. And we print out the regular time is first two digits colon and the last two digits am. Um, Here's the first flaw. So we started from 1 a.m. That's fine, but we ended at 12 less than 12:59, which is already in the PM. So this should be 11:59, and we should have an equal here. And next line, elif, and so it's basically after 1 p.m. Um, I want to like turn this around so we can have like a uniform looking program, I guess. So I'll do that. Regular time is, I don't know. So we put a 0 because it's after 1. And that's actually another flaw because then we can't do um, 10, more than like 10 p.m. if you know what I mean. Because we already have a 0 here and there's only going to be one more thing. Yes, yeah. So that's another flaw. M time. So the first two digits being 00, it means that it's between 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Is that right? I mean, midnight to 1 a.m. So we put out 12 colon. Why do I even have this? I could just do this. Yeah. And then we put AM, the last two digits, because it's always going to be 12 if we have two zeros in the beginning. So far, quite a bit of issues. We're missing, we're just like miscalculating time. We have poor variable names. We could have like int here and eliminate this. And non-uniform structure, I would say, I guess. And lastly, the AM and PM. So it's just like wrong, I guess. So here's the program that I rewrote here. Let's bring this up and let's take off the comments so we can like clearly see what it is. Whoa, that's not what I want to do. Alright, so let me explain here. I already went over this, and then now we have better variable name here, m time over 1200, which indicates that it's afternoon time. Then We already have int here, so we won't need int. And now we have input validation. So if we don't input a number between 0000 or 2359, then we just exit the program saying invalid input and you should retry. So for the AM, from 12 a.m. to 11:59, oh, I misread my own thing and I was like, wait a minute. So it's correctly labeled 12 a.m. from to 12:59 a.m. and we have the first two zeros just like here. The logic is same here. And this string is basically the same. We can delete this again. And then we'll have the last two digits and AM. And from 1 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. So we did fix that. It's not 12:59. It's actually 11:59 now. And we have more uniform code structure. So we flipped it. Then we put an equal sign here too. And then we have a print statement. Regular time is first two digits, colon, last two digits, AM, because these are always AM. So we can put here. And from 12 p.m. to 12:59 p.m. We will have this. Okay, so let's try this because I feel like I made the same mistake here as well. So let's say 22:11. Yeah, so it does make the same Actually, no, the second one is the real one. Whoops. Yes, so it does make the same mistake. I guess we could make another case here, although it's already getting longer here. So when does it turn 10? Is it 22? So 22:59. No, actually no, 21:59 because that would be 9:59. And we will have another statement here. And boom, that @ sign from 10 p.m. to 12 midnight to clarify. Actually no, 11:59. And let's make this 9:59. Then we'll have 3:59, 2200, and we will have always 1 here. So let's rerun it. And now something like this, and bam, 11:04 p.m. So it does work now. So I did not expect to make the same mistake. From 1 p.m. to 9:59. So we have 1300, which is 1 p.m. to 21:59, 9:59 p.m. And we convert this. We already have a 0 because 1 to 9, so we won't need the second digit. We could probably just combine this, but for simplicity's sake, I guess it could be a challenge for you to combine and condense this thing. And we did the same, except that we have different time frame, and we put a 1 here, so it's basically the same. And exit if not valid input, as stated here. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to speed up the process of recording so that it doesn't take up too much of your time, and I'm trying to be more concise. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.